Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by planning your garden layout and a seed trade system in one session. Design 4 by 8 feet beds for easy reach from both sides, leaving 18 inches paths. Map companion plants and rotation beds on a one-page sketch so you never plant tomatoes after potatoes. Label seed packets with variety, date, and quantity before swapping with neighbors, and keep a small ledger or spreadsheet to track trades, harvests, and success rates for next season. Focus on soil health and exact planting. Test soil pH and amend to 6, 0 to 7. 0 for most vegetables, improving drainage with compost at a 2-to-1 ratio of compost to native soil in raised beds. Plant seeds at recommended depths. For example, sow carrots 1/4 inch deep and cover lightly. Use spacing guides such as 3-5 inches for baby lettuce or 12 inches for basil, and water new seeds gently to settle soil without displacing seed placement. Maintain and trade with clear record keeping. Harvest in the morning when moisture is stable and record weights to improve trade accuracy and portioning. Replace spent plants promptly and note harvest date for each variety so you can advise trading partners on lifespan and quality. When trading seeds, dry them fully, package in labeled envelopes with variety, year, and simple germination notes, and include small samples of soil or a cutting if requested to encourage successful exchanges, and a reputation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.